Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to take a couple minutes to show you a neat trick that I've recently found to restore faded trim. And here you can see on this 97 Honda CR-V the trim is very faded. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we can do to fix this, and it is relatively cheap. If you have a heat gun, it will be free. So I'll go ahead and get started. And if you don't feel comfortable using a heat gun, I wouldn't suggest using this method. Maybe a trim black spray paint or trim gray, I think they have, might be more suited. And I'll probably end up doing the same anyway once I'm done with this, just to make it look uniform. I've already tried this on one side of the car and it's not 100%. There's still some areas, and I'll show you that after I do this little sample section that I'm about to show you. Alright, so here you can see this is very faded, and I haven't even cleaned it up. I should probably at least wipe it down, but for demonstration purposes I'm just going to go ahead and show you the process. Now I'm using a heat gun, and I will be using it on the high setting. It just seems to work quicker, and what I believe is happening during this process is we're heating this plastic back to the temperature in which it was manufactured, and I believe it's releasing oils back to the surface, and that's what's causing the color to come back. So you can see as I get started, it kind of goes slow in the beginning, but then I can start to move at a pretty decent pace. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. And if you're not familiar with using a heat gun, you don't want to stay in one area too long. The biggest part about this is if you don't feel comfortable with the heat gun, like I said previously, don't do this. I'm going to make sure that, or I'm going to do my best to make sure that I don't melt the plastic, because that's obviously not what we want. Alright, so here we are, what I just finished, and this is what we had before. So I'll try and come in here. You can see it's not perfect, and obviously there's some marks. And anyway, this car's got 387,000 miles on it, so I don't expect this to be perfect. I am thinking about either pulling the plastic off or taping it off and painting it. But anyway, I just want to show you a quick way to go from something like this to something like this that looks a little more new in comparison. If you have any tips and tricks of your own that you'd like for me to give a shot and film and put on YouTube, let me know and I'd be happy to give that a shot. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.